Hey guys, in this video I will show you best IQ option indicator MT4 indicator special for you. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel for next indicator and next script. Okay, and if you download this indicator, message me on telegram channel. Okay, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. Okay, so let's start trading with this indicator. Okay, here is the indicator. Okay, here is a down signal. Use the GPY. Okay, I'm going to use this GPY, and I have placed treat it because market going down and indicator signal by down. Okay, let's see the result. Yes. Yes. Baru 11. Yes. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. And boom. Okay guys, as you can see, market indicator very strong signal. Here is a down signal, market going down. Okay, very good signal, and this is a 100% paid indicator. This indicator signal by levels. Okay, and you use this signal by down and market going down. Very good indicator, and if you download this indicator, message me on telegram. This is a 100% paid indicator. Okay, here is a market. Use the GPR down signal, market going down. Okay, very good indicator. Okay, let's see another trade. Okay, and here is a my live account. I have a small trading with small trade with this account because binary option is a very risk platform, and I have used IK option for trading big amount. Okay, let's see another situation. Okay, use the GPI down signal, market going down. I have played this trade, and please going up, and I have placed down trade. Okay, for 1 minute. Okay. Oh no. Please down, and oh shit, man, I have placed this trade very late entry. Okay, let's see the result. And I have placed trade with 1:30 minute. I have lost this trade because I have late entry. Okay, here is my entry point, and I have placed trade is here. Okay, let's see the result. And market is 100% going down. As you can see, market going down. Yes, is a big very good indicator. Okay, and market going down. As you can see, market going down. Yes, as you can see, live trade. As you can see, market going down. Okay, and you can see market going down, and I have win this trade 100%. As you can see, let's see 100% working indicator. And if you download this indicator, link in my description box. And 20, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom! And boom! Oh man, my net problem. Okay, is a boom. Is I have profit already is $3. Okay, it's a small amount but very good. Okay, and please subscribe my channel, and if you need this indicator, message me on my Telegram channel. Okay, bye bye, tata, see you next video. Okay?